For my safety, you said if it's RX, kailangan ng prescription.
Hindi, RX means prescription.
So I need a prescription for that.
So you have no RX? There
If
is
no
another brand.
RX, then it means OTC.
Over the counter.
Who decide the RX?
On, sir.
So what other pharmacies are giving without prescription?
Then they're trying to go for, because for me, my license is already there. So if ever
So you mean Rose Pharmacy and Mercury and Watson, they don't have a license?
they are the PA, sir. If they try to give you without RX, like antibiotics, S2,
This is not an antibiotic.
This is a maintenance medicine. It's not a prescription.
if ever you tried, just Google what's the meaning of RX.
We know, uy, ano
You
ba?
wanna sell us
You
now?
say,
You cannot sell it.
If we go for the
Sir,
rules,
don't
then-
argue with us. Just yes or no.
yes or no?
then it's up to, boy, bigay mo kasi nagbi-video na si ma'am. Oh,
Na live na to.
without RX
Facebook na.
daw. Without
I
RX.
am here right now in Capital Care Pharmacy, Landers.
Sa rules of the
At-
Philippines with RX, you need prescription.
Pero kung nanan siya na...
Sige, sige, paano mo siya? Kasi nag-video. Pag sinabi mo yan, tapos maano ka, ikaw maano ka, lisensya mo yan.
Kailangan.
Actually, maintenance mo din siya, ma'am. Pero